So we're now going to Taytay Falls.
Tatay Falls?
Not Tay,
Where?
not
Where's
Tatay.
Nanay Falls?
It's not Tatay. It's Taytay.
Where? And
Tay,
And
Tay.
where's the nobody falls and everybody stands?
Oh, grabe talaga.
So funny.
You're funny. You're trying to be funny.
What is it?
You're trying to be funny.
No, I'm not trying. I am funny.
All right.
I'm not even trying.
Okay. That's nice.
I'm just super funny. Incredible.
So we went to Luciana. We had some ramen, so I'm so full. Came from Taytay Falls.
This is not many. This is not many people.
You can consider it's many when you can't even swim. You can't even move in the stone star. Yung hanging bridge. Lampas na ba tayo doon?
Wala po.
Ah,
Malapit na tayo.
sa hanging bridge. Naririnig ko na yung lagaslas ng tubig. Ah. How you like it, babe? Well, the surrounding right now, that's what I'm talking.
I like the air, the plants.
Mm-hmm.
Not too many people are burning shit. I like these white flowers. They're also huge.
Tabi po. Okay, say tabi po. Tabi po. For the both of us. For the all of us.
Clean water in the Philippines? Are we still? No piggery up there? Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Really, yung
Hammock is like a fog.
A fog? Oh. So not hammock?
Not hammock.
How about a hammock?
Not duyan.
It's a good. Oh, yes, duyan. Very, very duyan. So, no, that's the place, babe.
That's the idea. Ayun yung hanging bird. Bawal na kung sa dyan.
Oh, I see.
Delikado yan.
Oo nga. Oh, nakamotor ba kanina yung isa o nakabike lang?
Bike.
Just a bike, right? Eh, parang ang alinaw nga ng tubig, no?
Yung pangalan, labo na nga yun.
Talaga?
Dati mabli yan. Blue.
Blue pa ba yan dati? Hindi ko na inabutan yung blue na yun.
Mabli.
Yan na yung pinaka-inabot kong pinakang malinaw. Oh, diba? So, ayan. Dito muna tayo sa pahinga ka muna, Taytay. Ayan. So, nagpapahinga siya ngayon. Walang masyadong tao. So, you can see. Huwebes ba ngayon?
Oh.
Huwebes pa ngayon na. Bukas Friday na. Pero, ayan so far. Ayan. Ang dami pang space. So, ayan. Pahinga muna siya. Diba? Dapat mga gantong araw pupunta. So far.
Okay, pupunta ng Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. Sigurado, walang pahinga.
Yes.
Yung picturean. Ayos siya. Nako, hindi pa napanik.
Daming tao. Daming tao.
So, ayan, iti-turn off muna natin yung sound kasi may nagpapatugtog. Baka makopyright na naman tayo. Alam mo na.
Yun nga. Kaswet. Sana all.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and share. And it will help my channel grow. See you next time. And that's it. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and share. And it will help my channel grow. See you next time.